Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you guys can tell from the title, I will be showing you guys how I install my closure front wig. Okay, so that's the wig that I'm using. This is a Brazilian body wave wig that I made myself. I know I said the video was coming, guys, but I guess I put it off. Sorry about that. So what I used to hold my hair down is just one product, and it's the Got to Be Glued freezing blast spray or blasting freeze spray, however you want to call it. Okay, so it's the blasting freeze spray that I use for my adhesion, basically. So you saw me put that here on my head, and then I just pulled it down to where I sprayed down that first layer of Got to Be Glued. Ensure that the Got to Be Glued spray dries down a little bit, not too dry. You just want it to be tacky. Okay, so once it's tacky, you put the hair down, and then you can see me going with my edge brush, and I use the back of the comb to press that into my skin. And I also apply just a little bit of the Got to Be Glued in the palm of my hand, and then I just press that onto the edge so it can melt into my skin and appear as if it is going from my scalp as much as possible. So now I'm just letting my hair down, and I am detangling it with a white tooth comb. So I'm kind of going for a wet wavy look. So what you'll see me do, I'll just section my hair into two sections. This is my go-to everyday hairstyle, guys. So I just detangled my hair first, then I'll go in with just water only, guys. So I just mist my hair with that, not too wet. I just want the hair damp, and then I go back in and I detangle, and then I just start braiding my hair, and that's it. Like, when you're in a rush, guys, you do want to do this beforehand, like probably the night before, or you can do it in the morning, and you can wear your hair in that braid like for the whole day, or you can just wear that braid in the morning, and then like when you're ready to go where you're going, you just pull it out and you'll have that wavy look. So I use an elastic band just to hold the end of my hair, because I can't braid it all the way to the end because it would just pull out or it would just unravel. So I just use that elastic band to hold it. So I'll do the same thing on the other section of my hair. So now you see me going with the Eco Styler gel, guys, and I'm just using this to create, I wouldn't say baby hairs, but I'm just creating some tiny natural looking baby hairs, just to, in case there's lace still showing, you can use these baby hairs to cover up that lace. So that's just a little trick that I do. I don't want it to be like over dramatic because it is like a closure, right? So you don't want too much baby hair in the front right there. You want it to appear as looking natural. So I'm just playing around with it. You guys can see that I do spend a little bit of time here, and I brush it up into the direction I want it to go. I just want it to look natural. So just play with this section here until you feel pleased. So once it is the way that I want it, I go in and I tie down my hair with my head kerchief, with my head tie, and I leave that on for a couple of minutes. for as long as my makeup took me to do. So I'm back, guys, and as you can see, I did do my makeup. And if you guys would like to see how I did this makeup look, I will be putting that in the iCards at the top of this video, so you guys can go and check out that makeup look, how I achieved this makeup look. So basically, I'm just pulling out the braids and I'm just kind of fluffing the hair out just a little bit, not disturbing the curls or anything. I just go in with the comb to detangle the hair once more, make sure that everything is smooth. And basically, that's it. This is what the hair looks like. The hair is not completely dry because I only wear it until the end of me doing my makeup. So if you do this over the period of one day, or you prepare the hair the day before, it will be even better. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye.